Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question 21. The inequality represented on the line below is dash A, x is greater than or equal to 6, B, x is greater than or equal to 3, C, x is less than or equal to 3, and D, x is less than or equal to 6. Now we have the inequality given. This is the inequality here given. Like you can see, this is the inequality here. Now this line represents the what? The value of x. The line here represents the value of x. Now, one thing we should understand when dealing with inequality is that when you have the number line and you're given an inequality, now the arrow which this line gives, that is the direction of the arrow, tells us if it is either greater than or less than. Now, if the arrow is towards the left, then it is what? Less than. But if the arrow is towards the what? Towards the right, then it is what? It is greater than. Now, another point you need to know is that when given an inequality, the dots of the line, that is this dot here, this circle of the line given, some might be shaded and some might not be what? Shaded. Now, when you have it shaded, it means that it is equal to. But when it is left not shaded, it means what? It is not what? Equal to. That is not equal to. So remember, I say when the line is pointing to the left, it shows what? Less than. When it's pointing to the right, it shows greater than. Now the circle at the base of the line, when it is shaded, I said it's what? It means it is equal to. And when it is not shaded, when you just leave it plain, it means not equal to. And let's come back to our question. You can see here the line is representing what? X, and this line is starting from what? Starting from 3. And because this line now is going to the direction what? The left direction, we say what? X is less than 3, because what? It is going towards the left. But now, not just that, when you look at the circle now at the base of this line, it is what? It is shaded. So therefore we say x is less than or equal to 3. This less than is derived because the line is going to the what? To the left direction, and this equal to is derived because what? The circle at the base of the line is shaded. If this circle at the base of the line is not shaded, it would have just been what? X is less than 3. But because it is shaded, it is therefore x is less than or equal to 3. Now, which of these options correspond to our answer? Option C here corresponds to our answer, which is x is less than or equal to 3. So therefore C is our correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.